With beautiful fields everywhere, beautiful glaciers and magnificent waterfalls, Iceland does feel like it's from another planet. But here are 7 things I wish I knew before visiting Iceland. Don't forget to pack layers, not just warm clothes. Forget all your bulky coats. Icelandic weather changes really fast. We need a warm base, a waterproof shell, and always pack a windbreaker. Trust me, even in June, the wind can slap you like it's winter. Public transport is minimal. To explore Iceland properly, it's always advised to rent a car, but only take F-roads in 4x4. Off-roading is illegal and dangerous. If you're unsure about driving, you can always take day trips from Reykjavik or Vik. I will link some day trips available in the description box below. Here is an unpopular opinion. Skip the Blue Lagoon. Everyone goes to the Blue Lagoon. It's nice, but also it's expensive. The locals prefer places like the Secret Lagoon. It's a magical experience and very less touristy. Food can be very expensive, but the hack is to get some meal on the go or some grocery from a nearby supermarket like Bonus. But don't forget to try their local cuisine when you're there. Wind and daylight are very important factors to consider while planning the trip, and leave enough flexibility in the itinerary to include weather changes like sandstorms or snowstorms. Free Wi-Fi is commonly available in cafes and gas stations, but sometimes with the weather, the signal may vanish once you are in the wild. So it's better to download offline maps from Google Maps. Cards are accepted everywhere from gas stations to cafes to restaurants, and it's more preferred option than cash in Iceland. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more eco-friendly travel tips, and drop your Iceland questions below.